Hello, my lovely students. So here we are again. We're going to have our math virtual class. Are you ready? Very good. Let's start. Welcome to my math virtual class. So our lesson for today is about number patterns. Can you read after me? Number patterns. Well done. So before we start, let's have our vocabulary in this lesson. I want you to read it loud together with teacher. Is that okay? Very good. Let's start. Increasing, increasing, decreasing, decreasing, rule, rule, patterns, patterns, add, add, subtract, subtract, divide, divide. Again, let's read together. Increasing, increasing, decreasing, decreasing, rule, rule, patterns. Ano ba yan, nak? Let's read together again. Read after teacher. Increasing, increasing, decreasing, decreasing, rule, rule, patterns, patterns, add, add, subtract, subtract, divide, divide. Well done, guys. So what is a number pattern? What is a number pattern? A number pattern is a list of numbers that follows a certain rule. So we have an example here. 321, 421, 521, and 621. So now, what is the next number? What will be our next number? So the next number would be 721. The next number would be 721. Because the rule there is increasing by 100, or we did addition. We add 100 in each number. So as you can see, we already learned about increasing and decreasing before. Again, increasing is from the smallest number to the biggest number. That is why the rule is increasing by 100. Attributes of number patterns. What are they? A pattern can be increasing or decreasing. So you will know if it's add or subtract. You should be able to see if the number pattern is an increasing or a decreasing order. Then you will know if you're going to add the number or subtract the number. This means the number patterns are getting smaller and sometimes they're getting bigger. Again, this is what we learned before. It is all about increasing and decreasing. So we have an example here. So the first example that we have here is 2 4, 6, and 8. Now, is it increasing or decreasing? Well done. So this is increasing. That is why this is addition. When it is increasing, how many do you think we add in each number? Very good. So we add 2. We add 2 in each number. And that is our rule. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, plus 2 is equal to 6, plus 2 is equal to 8. The rule here is add 2. Next example that we have is we have 18, 13, 8, and 3. Now, is it increasing or decreasing? Very good. This number pattern is decreasing because it's getting smaller. Decreasing is from the biggest number to smallest number. So this is subtract. We're going to do minus. We're going to subtract. Now, what do you think? How many number do they subtract on each number? Good. So here we subtract 5. So 18 minus 5 is equal to 13. And 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. And 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. And so what will be the rule here? Yes, the rule here is subtract 5 or minus 5. The next example that we have here is 125, 135, 145, and 155. So, is it increasing or decreasing? Very good. It is increasing because it's getting bigger. So what do you think? How many did they add in each number? Very good. So they add 100. So what is the rule here? The rule here is add 100. We have more examples here. So we have here 106, 194. So what will be the next number? Is it increasing or decreasing? Yes, this number pattern is decreasing. So how many did they take away in each number? So from 106, it became 100. So they minus or subtract 6. So 100 minus 6 is equal to 94. And 94 minus 6 is equal to 88. Very good. And 88 minus 6 is equal to 82. And 82 minus 6 is 76. So what will be our rule here? Our rule is subtract 6. Next example we have is 15, 115, 215. So what is the next number pattern? Before that, let's try. Is it increasing or decreasing? Very good. The number pattern is increasing because it is getting bigger. So how many do you think did they add in each number? So here we have 15 and 115. Then this one is increasing, so it should be plus. So what will be our rule? Before that, let's answer. So 15 plus 100 is equal to 115. 115 plus 100 is equal to 215, and 215 plus 100 is equal to 315. So our rule here is add 100. So another example that we have is 2, 6, 18, 23, and 69. So what do you think? It's not only add and subtract. We could also do multiplication. So this one, 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. And 6 times 3 is equal to 18. And 18 times 3 is equal to 23. And 23 times 3 is equal to 69. So what will be the rule here? Rule is multiply by 3. Last example we have. Another example that we have is 512. Now we already did subtract, add, and multiply. Now let's do division. Here, the rule here is to divide by 2. So 512 divided by 2 is equal to 256. And 256 divided by 2 is equal to 128. Now 128 divided by 2 is equal to 64. And that is the rule. These are the number patterns, and we had here subtract, addition, multiply, and division. These are the rules that we could apply in our number pattern. Look at the patterns and identify if it's increasing or decreasing. Then you could tell what is the rule of each number pattern. Let's start. Okay, so we have here another example. As you can see, we have 6 and 11. Now, from the 6 to 11, is it increasing or decreasing? Are the number patterns increasing or decreasing? Yes, it is increasing. That is why we're going to add. They are increased from 6 to 11. They are increased plus 5. So this will be 1 plus 5. And 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. Well done. And 16 plus 5 is equal to 21. Very good. How about this one? Are the number increasing or decreasing? Very good. It is increasing. That is why that should be addition. So this will be add. From 7, addition. So from 7 to 10, how many did you think did they increase by? Well done. They increase by 3. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. And 16 plus 3 is equal to 19. Very good. Next activity. How about this one? Are the numbers increasing or decreasing? Well done. It is increasing. So this will be addition. How many did they increase by? So from 18 and 22, how many did they increase? Yes, it should be add 4 or plus 4. 18 plus 4 is equal to 22. But to get the answer, we are going to minus. So we are going to go back to the first number. That is why we're going to do minus. 18 minus 4 is equal to 14. Well done. 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. Very good. And 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. That is how you answer this number pattern. How about this number pattern? Are the numbers increasing or decreasing? Very good. It is decreasing because from 84 to 74, that looks decreasing. So, how much are the numbers decreasing by? So from 84 to 74, it looks like it looks like they decrease by 10. So it was minus 10. So 74 minus 10 is equal to 64. 64 minus 10 is equal to 54. 54 minus 10 is equal to 44. Because they decrease, it is decreasing. This number pattern is decreasing. This is the end of our lesson. See you next time. Goodbye.